Okay, so I'm going to go over module number 1, which is the first half of week 1. Each week, as you can see, if you look in this left-hand menu when you're inside the content area of the course shell, you'll see that each week is split into 2 sections, and each section of each week is numbered 1 through 10. So the first half of the week is typically a Monday through Wednesday, and then the second half of a week is Thursday through Sunday. Okay, so I'll go through the first half of week 1, June 5th through 7th. So you will read chapter 1, The Nature of Art and Creativity. You'll watch the lecture videos below. There's 3 of them here, 1, 2, and 3. And then you'll take that chapter quiz, which is due by June 7th, which I believe is Wednesday. And then you will watch the video on project number 1. And you will pick which option you're going to go with and start planning, acting on what you want to do for that project. Definitely don't leave project number 1 for last minute. There is a module for project number 1 right here, just below the syllabus module, and you can take a look at that. There are project worksheets in there that you can kind of go through that explain the project as well as the video. I suggest getting the visit completed by the end of this week. That way you'll have next week to finish project number 1, because that will be due at the end of week 2. So you will complete the discussion below on what your plan is for project number 1 by Wednesday, June 7th, and then you'll complete the form and content assignment by Wednesday, June 7th. You can watch this video here for help with the difference between form and content and what they mean. So we have the chapter 1 PowerPoint here. We have the videos that I created that go over that chapter. Then we have the quiz. Then we have your plan for project number 1, which is a discussion. There's just 3 simple questions, but I just want you to get thinking on what you want to do for that project number 1, because it is worth 15% of the overall grade for this course. And then form and content assignment is here. It's basically about understanding the relationship between form and content. You're basically going to kind of contrast these 2 paintings. One, this is The Lovers by René Magritte, and then this is The Kiss by Gustav Klimt. And you're just going to kind of go through, read through this. You're going to write 2 paragraphs. And you should definitely take a look at these 2 links, which give you information on Gustav Klimt's painting and René Magritte's painting here. You can also do your own research. Just take a look on Google, look up those paintings, and try and get some more information on them besides just these 2 links that I provided to you, but at the very least read the 2 links, and then you can submit a PDF file or a Word document for a grade for this assignment. You can always, read through this. It should be pretty straightforward. Basically just comparing and contrasting the form and content of these 2 paintings. They have the same subject. The subject is what's happening in the painting, what is happening in each painting is a kiss. But the form of each painting is very different, and the content. So the form is the physical characteristics, the arrangement of the composition, the use of materials, the use of color, the use of line, the use of abstraction is different in each of these paintings, and they convey different meanings because of the choices that the artist made in how they present the form, which is the color and the line and the design and the amount of abstraction that they're using, and that creates content, which is meaning in each of these pieces. So, trying to understand that relationship between form and content is really important, and that's why we are doing an assignment on it. So anyway, that wraps up module number 1.